Acura will introduce two handcrafted limited production models at the 2019 New York Auto Show, starting with the 2020 TLX PMC Edition, said to be built by the same technicians who hand-assemble the NSX supercar. Deliveries for the TLX PMC Edition are scheduled to begin this summer with pricing starting from around $50,000. The automaker will also introduce an MDX PMC Edition, joining the TLX on display in New York next week. "We designed the PMC not only to build NSX, but to give Acura the flexibility to explore handcrafted production of limited edition models," said Acura brand officer, Jon Ikeda. The TLX and MDX PMC Edition are the first to take advantage of this unique capability, and we intend to explore additional options. The 2020 TLX PMC Edition will sit atop the TLX lineup, powered by an i-Tech V6 unit working alongside Acura's SHAWD system. Also available will be a full complement of premium features shared with the TLX Advanced package, as well as interior and exterior elements from Acura's A-Spec line. Each TLX PMC Edition model will be finished in Valencia Red Pearl, which is said to be the most vibrant color ever offered by Acura, previously reserved only for the flagship NSX supercar. As for the interior, there are black Milano leather seats with Alcantara inserts, custom floor mats, plus black piping and red stitching for the seats, door panels and center armrest. Meanwhile, the A-Spec steering wheel boasts perforated black leather, red stitching and metal-finished paddle shifters, while the center console comes with an individually numbered serial plaque. The TLX PMC Edition comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, the Acura ELS Studio Premium audio system with 10 speakers, wireless charging, a surround view camera, power folding door mirrors with auto dimming, and the Acura Watch suite of active safety systems.